Food plays a very powerful role on the state of our mind. Today, if we want to have emotional health, we want our families to have high emotional health, please check the quality of the food we eat. Don't focus only on the physical nutrients कि इसमें प्रोटीन है, इसमें कार्बोहाइड्रेट है, इसमें विटामिन है, इसमें मिनरल है. What is the vibration of the food I eat? That is the emotional nutrient of my diet. An animal in the slaughterhouse for 10 days, 15 days, 1 month. What's the state of mind? What's the state of mind? Fear, 1. Second, fear, 1. Second, hatred, pain, anger, helplessness, violence, death. Comes on the plate, proteins. Fear, hatred, hurt, pain, anger, violence, death. How can we call it healthy? It may be healthy for the body, but there can be nothing more toxic than that for the mind. Nothing can be more toxic than that because it's full, it's very, very rich in negative emotions. Take care. Please take care. And please experiment. Don't believe. Experiment with a high emotional nutrient diet. Sattvic diet. Jaisa anna vaisa man. You are what you eat is not about the body. It is you are what you eat. Because the food I consume will influence my thoughts and my thoughts will write my destiny. So if I consume a negative emotional nutrient diet, I'm writing my destiny there. So take care. Take care. So experiment 3 months with a sattvic diet. A diet which is not just vegetarian, but a diet in which the food has been cooked in a very pure, peaceful state of mind. Prasad. Prasad is not only that which we get in the temple and the Gurdwara. Prasad can be cooked at food, at home, every meal. But today, we are so busy earning money that we don't have time to cook for our families. And when we are cooking, we are a little irritated. We are tired. And we are carrying a lot on the mind when we are cooking. Please take care, because you are just transmitting your irritation, your fatigue, your pain, your helplessness like a victim. Ghar ka kaam bhi karo, office ka kaam bhi karo, ye bhi karo, wo bhi karo. All those thoughts radiate into the food, and those will be the thoughts of your family after eating that food. Please be careful. We are working hard because we want a happy family. But working hard to have a happy family does not mean only earning more. It means taking care of all other dimensions of our life. So 15 minutes, half an hour of cooking food has to be like a ritual in a very pure, peaceful state. Kitchen should vibrate with beautiful bhajan songs at that time when you're cooking. While cooking, you say, I'm cooking for the happiness of my family. My children will become emotionally strong when they eat this food. It's no point sitting and saying what to do with our children today. They are going through depression, somebody is going through addiction, somebody is going through so many other things. Do it in the kitchen. That's where the power lies. Magic can happen from there. If your child doesn't talk to you with respect, just put it in the dal while stirring. My child loves me, my child respects me, he's very polite, very obedient. And after a few days, the child will not know what is happening to him or her, and he'll say, Mere ko kya ho gaya? Effect of vibrations of the one cooking directly reaches the people who is eating the food. Take care where you are eating and who has cooked for you. Nowadays, we're not even aware of who has cooked for us. We don't know who's cooking for us. Because we just say, haha, I had my breakfast, I had my lunch, I just picked up a bite from somewhere. It's not for the body, it's first for the mind. If someone is going through a problem, is worried or is in pain and cooks for you, you won't know after that why you are worried in life. So you may be very, very, very occupied with your work, but cooking for your family should be the first responsibility for having a happy family, not just a rich family. They're two completely different things. They're two completely different things, and the sooner we stop equating wealth with happiness, we'll come back to our happiness again. But we thought we were working hard to get everything for them and they will be happy. And we've seen the consequences in the last few years. And then WHO says depression, 1 in 4, cancer, 1 in 8. What is all this? We achieved so much to only get these statistics. Divorce rate high, depression rate high, cancer rate high, diabetes rate high. Is that for what we were working so hard? No. So work hard, earn a lot, but don't compromise on the emotional health for the family. Don't cook one Sunday and keep it in the fridge for 7 days. It's low vibration, low emotional health. Cook simple. Cook one meal, cook one khichdi, don't do anything else, but make it high vibrating energy. वो बना दिया, पैकेट में रख दिया. Not safe for the mind, could be okay for the body, but actually not even good for the body. Even simple basic cooking principle says never even reheat food. Food should be heated only once and eaten fresh. That's where you can give health to the mind and the body both. Don't think and say, ye to bahut mushkil hai. No, you're writing your destiny. So money, pure, sattvic money. Food, sattvic food. And while cooking, radiate all your blessings into the food. Watching TV while eating. Discussing problems while eating. Arguments while eating is the most damaging thing we can do for ourselves. But 1 hour of food lying there on the table and we are talking problems, profits, losses, issues, everything getting absorbed in the food and then here. Don't even drink a glass of water while you're talking problems. Problems will intensify. Food absorbs the vibration, water absorbs the vibration. Be very careful. So while eating, 10 minutes. First, 30 seconds, pause, connect to Him. Take all His powers and put it in your food. Emotionally clean the food. Don't just check the physical hygiene of the food, check the emotional hygiene of that food. So take His power, put it in the food, clean. This food is full of His powers, His love, His gyan, His blessings. 30 seconds, 10 minutes in silence to eat the food. Or only happy conversations. Better not to eat with everybody if we can't have happy conversations while eating. Phone. ऐसे बैठे बैठे टक. This is what happened there. This, I'm absorbing that and I'm eating the food. Problems will intensify. Phone on silent mode for 10 minutes. Possible? Possible? And you're in a meeting for 1 hour, you keep your phone away, right? You're in a flight for 2 hours, you keep your phone away. Why can't we keep the phone away for 10 minutes when we are eating? Always tell yourself, I'm eating for emotional health, not just physical health, and you'll do it. You are what you eat. So please take care of the food. And please take care who's cooking for you. And please take care of those who are cooking for you. झगड़ा करके किसी को बोला चलो अभी खाना बनाओ. And if you're feeling upset or stressed, pause for 10 minutes, clean yourself emotionally before you start cooking. We all remember to wash hands, we don't remember to wash our minds. That's where the infection is going. So sattvic money, sattvic food, sattvic mind, sattvic body.